How to fix Roblox crash? An unexpected error occurred. First step, open Roblox, click the three dot icon, click settings, click security settings, click it, scroll down, click logout of all other section, click it and click logout. Next step, open run and type the following text, percentage local app data percentage, click OK, scroll down and search for Roblox folder, click it, click download folder, delete the files inside the download folder, come back, click local storage folder, delete the files inside the local storage, click log folder, delete the files and folders inside the log folder, come back, then move on with next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down, search for Roblox, it should be enabled in both private and public, if not having means click allow another app, click browse, for easy method come outside, right click open file location of the Roblox, copy the address, go back, click browse and paste the address here, you can easily get the application, click it and add it, click add in the bottom side, once adding after you need to enable in both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Next step, search for CMD, right click run as administrator and type the following text sfc space slash scan now, click enter and wait for some time. Once the verification is complete after, we move on with next step. The verification is ongoing. Verification is completed. Exit it and move on with next step. Right click Roblox, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Then open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. Right click this PC, click properties, click tools and scan the drive. It's entirely scanning your C drive. Once complete after, close it and restart your device. Thank you.